This tutorial covers how to begin searching in Academic Search Complete and shows strategies you can use while searching other databases as well. There are two main ways to search Academic Search Complete. The first way is to use keywords in the search box, much like you would use a search engine like Google. Unlike with Google, however, it can be a good idea to put terms in different boxes instead of all in one box. The second way to search is to browse the subject terms to find the word or phrase that best describes your topic. The subject terms link is at the top of the page. Other databases might call this subjects or thesaurus. Start by typing in a term to see how it compares with other terms used by the database. For example, the term king salmon used by the database is Chinook salmon. Using Chinook salmon will get you better results than king salmon. Clicking on the term gives related or narrower terms that can be useful when searching. In this instance, we'll use Chinook salmon in our search. So we'll click the checkbox next to the term and use the Add button to put it in our search box. We can then do our search by clicking the green search button at the top of the page. The database sorts the results by date. That is, it gives the most recent articles first. If you want to change how the results are displayed, use the Date Newest link at the top of the list. Clicking there will give you other options such as relevance. Another useful tool when scanning through the results list is the magnifying glass. Hovering the cursor over the magnifying glass icon shows us the subjects and abstract of the article, so we can see if the article is worth pursuing. This saves us from having to click into each article separately. To save articles for later, save the permalink or email the article to yourself or someone else. Every article has a permalink, a URL that always points back to the article page in the database. The permalink can be found by clicking on the title of the article and then clicking on the permalink option on the bottom of the menu on the right. The link shows at the top of the screen for copying and pasting. If you want to send a link to the article to someone else, this is a good way to do it. Also take a look at the other options like email and cite for ways to keep track of articles and cite them in your papers. This concludes the Getting Started tutorial.